We're back. The Gold Money duo. We got our shirts from Gold Matters. Gold Money sent them down to us, so that was pretty awesome. He was so pumped about that. And I woke up one morning and I was like, guess what, guys? I need to buy some more Menē. And I was scrolling through. I did it all on my phone. It took me literally like 45 seconds long. And 3 days later, the package came in. If you guys don't know, this episode is sponsored by Gold Money and Menē. We are already a proud customer. You guys will see some of that later. But let's do this formal unboxing. What do you think about your shirt, Les? You like it so far?
I do. It is really very comfortable.
Yeah.
It wears nicely, hangs nicely, and I wear it as often as I can. Not just when we're opening up Menē or promoting Gold Money. So we are. And the interesting thing is that we've got one gold dice in here, and we're going to see this. But guess where my wife and I are going in about 3 or 4 weeks? Las Vegas.
That's right.
Guess what we're taking with us? High rollers.
All right, so I got a little gift bag here. We're not going to gift it because the giftee is right here.
Thank you.
So there's no need to gift it. So take that. As you guys saw previously, you have this information booklet right here that has the certificate of authenticity. And this one is 14.96 grams of pure gold. So right under a ½ ounce. And then we have the receipt. And then we have the cherry box of goodness right here. So the Gold Money duo coming back at you again. Get that thing open, Les.
So professionally done.
Uh-oh.
Oh my.
Uh-oh.
Look there. All right. Let's open it up.
It's a little tough to get open at first, which is good. It doesn't just
it
fall
does just
out.
pop out. You do it. And while he's doing that, I'm going to, I keep this, not with me at all times, but I keep it in a very safe, secure spot.
Check it out. Check it out.
My little paw.
Show it up close to the camera. Show it up close to them.
Oh my goodness.
So it's a gold dice. Numbers 1 through 6.
Yes.
We can play Monopoly with it.
Yep.
Because we've got 2 now.
We have to
can
get
play
3
backgammon.
more, 3 more to get to play Yahtzee.
3 more, we're playing Yahtzee.
Woo! But it's coming out.
And then it says Menē 24K on the side with the 1.
Yeah.
And so Les has 1 and I've got 1. We both got our dice right here. Both of these are his though. Seven Wilson's dad, as we call him on Steam It.
Thank you.
And we've got 2 dice. So you guys should be seeing some pictures from Las Vegas in a couple weeks. He's gonna take them there. I don't know if they'll let him play craps with it, but he's going to take him to the craps table. We'll get some good shots, some good promo video for Menē and for Gold Money. But check it out, guys. If you guys have not joined Menē and purchased anything, do it. They give you a $5 credit just for signing up, and for every single purchase, they give you a $50 credit. So I just bought a gold dice, and I got a $50 credit. So that just offsets some more cost right there for me. So check out the dice. 1 time for me with the eyes. 1 time for Seven Wilson's dad
With the
dice, baby.
And here we go.
Woo! Bring them out, bring them out.
Snake eyes!
Peace.